guys, thank you for an awesome 2025, and I hope 2026 will be an awesome year for Grimmy Builds Legos and the Grimmy Official. Thank you for subscribing for the channel, and 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year! Explosion. Help me, my leg is chipped. Help me, no, help me. Thank you so much for watching this video. But look what I have to clean up now. Why did I do this? This is a rare Lego person. Look, it's chipped now. This is a rare Lego thing, bro. It's chipped. Well, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.